First, we are using the screwdriver to unscrew the screw stop. Make sure can move the filter tank. Then we untie these two wires in the back of the system. We unscrew the three connectors like this video. Also, we need to untie this connector too. Then we twist the filter tank in the opposite direction. We can unscrew the valves on the top of the filter tank and remove the valves from the tank. Take off the center tube from the valves, like the video. Put the funnel onto the center tube. Quartz sand, activated carbon, resin. The first tank filling quartz sand. Second tank filling the activated carbon. The third tank filling resin. This is the source water inlet port. It is connecting from the source water tank. This is the wastewater outlet port of the three pre-filter tanks. It is connected to the sewer. This is the pure water outlet port. It is connecting to the pure water tank. This is the RO membrane wastewater. It is connecting the sewer. This is one placed slightly below the middle of the source water tank, but it should not touch the bottom of the tank. This is pure water float valve. It is placed in the middle of the pure water tank.